To position teachers in Lagos State Public Schools to attain excellent teaching experience, Teach for Nigeria, in partnership with the Management of Education District 3, organized this capacity training program for teachers, vice principals, and principals.
This workshop is actually to emphasize strategies that teachers can use in ensuring that they meet with the daily objectives of learning, effective learning. It is expected that students' outcome will be much better in terms of behavior, in terms of performance, in terms of attendance and punctuality to school, and that teachers also will be happy with this job because the children will be willing to learn.
The organizers say 21st century teaching strategies is now the new normal and must be adopted by educationists.
We are here to train existing teachers in Lagos State in pedagogical knowledge. And the reason why this is important is because we know how teachers are important to our society to help us bridge the gap in education inequality, which is something that Teach for Nigeria is very passionate about.
Participants were taught how to make better use of their learning objectives. They say the training has been impactful.
The essence of this training today is all about digital skills in the 21st century. And when you look at it, we have to bring the new normal to whatever we are doing. The 21st century of teaching and learning in order to meet the needs of individual child. It's like what we have been doing before. What are the better way of doing it?
Knowledge is not static, it's dynamic. We need to improve on it. So we are going to improve on it in our schools since we have been using it before. There are some new things that are coming up and we are learning from it, and we thank you for that.
In the course of our learning, we are able to know why it is important as a teacher to have a clear vision. So when you have a clear vision, then you know how to work out the vision. And to have an effective teaching, we need to have effective lesson plan. That our lesson plan must be well structured.
They have been able to teach us different things, different ways in which we can effectively teach our students. They have told us the reasons, the consequences and the rules that will guide us in preparing our lesson notes. They have also been able to tell us how we can make better use of our learning objectives in the class.
About 200 teachers were trained, and at the end of the training, these participants are expected to be better school managers equipped with the necessary digital skills for 21st century teaching management system, which will in turn lead to a better student outcome.